Hello, you join me again in my shed. In here, I've got tools, I've got TVs, I've got a lot of valuable bits of equipment. I've got good security in here. Touch wood, nothing gets stolen. But if it did, and I wanted to recover it, I bought something that I wanted to show you that might help. Plus, I can use it for some other stuff. Reminds me a bit too much of the dentist. So this is it, an engraving tool made by Ferrex, bought from Aldi, costs £8.99, and the plan is to engrave tools, TVs, whatever, ideally with my postcode and house number. So if anything does get stolen, at least I have a good chance of getting it back. I should also be able to use it for decorative work on wood or plastic or metal. Also for marking up or labelling boxes and drawers, etc. Well, first of all, let me show you a little more about it when I unboxed it, and let's try it out on some materials and see how it works. Before I do, thanks to my subscribers, thanks to the thumbs up, and any comments you want to put in this video and future videos, please feel free to do so. And if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe. Thanks a lot. Okay, so let's have a look at it. Ferrex 13 watt engraving tool, 6,000 RPM, 1.8 meters of cable, 13 watt. Okay, so it looks like get the engraver and get some templates there as well, some shapes and lettering. Engraving tool, 1 carbide tip, 4 stencils, a user manual and a warranty card, and it's got 3 years warranty on it. Okay, let's open it up. So manual, warranty card, leave that aside, user manual, interesting page there. It's 0.38 of a kilogram, so 380 grams. Product code 806016, produced in China. Okay, there's a few stencils, a few patterns on these, a few symbols, shapes, squares, circles, etc. And then this is the key thing I'm interested in there, lettering. Okay, so there it is, Ferrex. So this is the stroke adjust dial. It's like a button, on and off button at the front, some tip protector, cap, hanger for the engraver. It's got a rubber end here. Take it for when you're gripping it from this sort of position or that position there. It's got a good rubber grip on there, and that's all just plastic. I assume that's to change the tip. Sprung loaded. That comes out. Obviously buy new tips if you need them. Okay, let's plug it in. Fused plug. Cap, so you don't have to take the plug apart, just pop the cover off. Let's turn it on. Ooh. Yeah, so push to activate, which is good. So when you're operating it, you'd obviously use your index finger. Okay, let's give it a whirl. So my plan is to use this stencil, letter stencil, just to put just a W on for the time being, just to see how it works for Weekend Shedhead. I could put WSH, I suppose, but let's just try W for the time being. So let's just start off with this first. It's just basically a craft knife set, X-Acto knife blades, but it's a good surface to try. Nice smooth plastic, good starting point. And let's start off with W. Make that flat. You see that? I probably could have spent longer doing that, but yeah, just put a W there. Let's do it freehand. Let's try W again. So let's try my drill. Let's try it just above the trigger. There we go, just one pass. Matter of seconds, probably 10 seconds to do it. While I'm at it, for experiment's sake, let's try it on the casting. This is metal, by the way. Now that's interesting. The vibration is quite heavy on that, so if I turn this down slightly, it might not bounce as much. That seems much better. It's not bouncing as much. On a spanner. See that? WSH. Got here my router bit set, and it's got a wooden, dusty wooden case. Let's give it a try. Superb. A hammer. Okay, let's try something. I'll put WSH on there. I might not be able to see it that well, but let's put a bit of, just rub a bit of pencil into there.
Focus.
Highlights it a bit better, I suppose. White marker. Shows it a bit clearer. Okay, here's my pillar drill. Let's try putting it on this casting up here. Okay, so I've just been trying the gauge here. So if I start off in the maximum position, nothing. A little bit back. Not as powerful, a little bit further, a bit more tougher now, and then a bit further forward, a bit more, and that's the most powerful position. So let's try that on this casting. Yeah, it's worked, and it's gone deep enough to leave it there permanently, I would have thought. Here I've got a scrap bit of perspex, clear perspex. Let's give it a try. Let's just try writing. Yeah, that took me 15 seconds. See that? This will be interesting. Goggles on and gloves on. Easy. One of the stencils, Christmas related. Let's try the snowflake. I if I spent longer on this, I'm sure it'd be better, and I think it's probably best to tape it down when using the stencil. But anyway, there we go. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I do like that. Yeah, I could have spent more time on that, but we get the idea from it. So that's glass. What's next? Let's say a mug. Don't know if you can see that. Get the light on there. A little pebble. Yeah, comes up well. A drumstick. Right, let's do this stapler, and then halfway through, let's do a bit of SloMo, see what it looks like. Try it with a metal rule. And there's no damage there. Fairly straight line. Try and do a right angle there. No marks. Try shading. Let's try doing patterns freehand. Turn it down a little bit. That might be better. Yeah, much better. I had it too high. Obviously with something like Perspex or soft materials, it's worth turning it down a little bit. Less vibration. Let's put some paper behind that to make it a bit more clearer. There we go. Let's see that better. Let's have a look. Okay, let's try shading. think with a bit more time on that, try bigger letters. Yeah, with a bit more time on that, I can get it looking better. So there we go, the Ferrex engraving tool. Something that can sit on my tool wall, and when I need to use it, it's there. Again, thanks for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more. I'm off now just to engrave, well, pretty much anything. I think the only thing I can't engrave is the engraver. Thanks for watching, cheers.